Pemirsa, penulis buku yang juga mantan Menteri Kesihatan Singapura, Joss Yeo, memperkenalkan 3 buku bertajuk Joss Yeo Musing di Tibu Beneng Canggu Badung. Acara tersebut dipandu moderator tari dan jurnalis Wayan Juniarta.
Ke Singapura dan Malaysia. That's the first question. Saya punya cabang di Pontianak. Sebetulnya udah punya cabang di Kalimantan.
Joss Yeo mengatakan dalam bukunya juga membahas biografi dan hubungan relationship kedua negara yang terjalin harmoni. Dikatakan Indonesia adalah negara yang besar di ASEAN. Mantan Menteri Kesehatan Singapura ini mengatakan Indonesia dan Singapura punya perbedaan. Singapura adalah kota kecil sedangkan Indonesia negara besar. Singapura terkenal dengan kebersihan dan safety serta transportasi publiknya yang maju.
Indonesia, musings 1, 2, and 3, in which in various parts I talk about Indonesia, about the inspiration of Indonesia, and about Singapore's relationship with Indonesia, and also about the role Indonesia plays in ASEAN and the world. Musings cover my own experiences, my experiences as a minister, as a soldier, as a private citizen. And it's also kind of a reflection about the region we are in, the challenges we face, and how if we work together in a wise way, we can secure for ourselves. Indonesia and Singapore are very different countries. Singapore is a city-state, it's very small. Indonesia is big, it's got a large population. But our two countries share a very complementary relationship. In fact, if you look at the map, Singapore is in the middle of Indonesia. And Singapore's role is really to serve Indonesia and therefore make for itself an economic benefit by serving Indonesia. And in different areas, Indonesians see Singapore as an experiment of what to do and of what not to do. And more than we realize in Singapore, Indonesians study Singapore in detail, in different sectors, to draw lessons, both positive and negative.
Kegiatan ini diikuti oleh puluhan mahasiswa hubungan internasional HI Universitas Udayana. Di penghujung acara juga diisi sesi tanya jawab dan penyerahan kenang-kenangan. Agus Sudiatmika, Bali TV.